I still remember staring at a mountain of sour-smelling laundry at midnight, regretting my life choices. My old washer had just leaked across the floor, and the dryer had essentially baked my favorite shirts in a shrunk, stiff cardboard. Sound familiar? Navigating the maze of appliance shopping is a nightmare of confusing specs, fake hype, and hidden flaws. That's why I decided to test and tear down the best GE profile washers and dryers on the market today. I found the ultimate laundry lifesavers, but not all of them lived up to the hype. Let's dive in. 7. PTW705 BPTG. Testing the PTW705 BPTG top-load washer was a nostalgic experience, bringing back memories of traditional agitator machines. With a 5.3 cubic foot capacity, you can absolutely stuff this machine with large family loads. The standout feature here is GE's smarter wash technology and Smart Flex Dispense, which easily manages everything from liquid detergent to specialized pods. When I threw in heavily soiled work clothes, the dedicated Sanitize with OxyCycle did a remarkable job blasting away the grime and leaving things fresh. However, using this traditional top-load design quickly revealed some frustrating daily realities. The single-action agitator mechanism takes up a massive amount of premium real estate inside the drum, meaning that 5.3 cubic feet feels significantly smaller when you're actually loading bulky items like winter comforters. I also noticed that this harsh central agitator is not particularly kind to delicate fabrics. During my test cycles with thinner shirts, the wash action felt overly aggressive, increasing wear and tear over time. Another glaring issue I encountered during testing is the sheer depth of the drum. If you're on the shorter side, reaching all the way to the bottom to retrieve that last stray sock is going to require a step stool or a painful stretch over the metal rim. Additionally, while it boasts Wi-Fi connectivity via the Smart HQ app, it notably lacks a built-in steam cycle. For an appliance in the premium profile lineup, missing out on steam means you're losing a crucial tool for relaxing wrinkles and lifting deep-set stains. Despite these physical and functional drawbacks, it isn't entirely without merit. The built-in microbe and antimicrobial technology is a fantastic touch, effectively preventing that notorious musty washer smell from taking root in the hidden crevices. 6. GFQ14S New. Moving on to the GFQ14 ESSNWW, I was genuinely intrigued by the promise of an all-in-one washer and condenser dryer combo. Designed specifically for tight urban apartments and tiny homes, this 24-inch unit operates on a standard 120-volt plug and requires absolutely no external venting. I set it up in a tight closet space to simulate a real-world scenario, and the sheer convenience of dropping dirty clothes in and pulling out clean, dry laundry without lifting a finger to switch machines is undeniably appealing. But that convenience comes with a severe bottleneck: the painfully small 2.4 cubic foot capacity. During my testing, I found that I could only wash about half a standard laundry basket at a time. If you have a family or accumulate laundry rapidly, you will essentially be running this machine nonstop. Furthermore, the wash and dry cycle time is incredibly long. Because it relies on condenser drying technology rather than traditional heated air venting, a single mixed load took several hours from start to finish, completely killing any momentum on chore day. The drying performance itself is another area where I found myself a bit disappointed. Condenser dryers naturally leave fabrics feeling slightly damp or humid to the touch the moment you pull them out. While the moisture quickly evaporates after a few minutes in the ambient air, it lacks that deeply satisfying, fluffy warmth of a traditional vented dryer. I also noticed that if you push the capacity to the absolute limit, heavier items like jeans and thick hoodies often require a second run on the time dry setting to become fully wearable. On the bright side, the machine is packed with excellent cleaning features that somewhat redeem its sluggish pace. 5. PFW870 SSVWW. The PFW 870 SSVWW front load washer is where the GE profile lineup truly starts to flex its engineering muscles. Stepping up to a massive 5.3 cubic foot capacity, I was able to wash a king-size comforter with plenty of room to spare for the tumbling action required to actually get clean. What I instantly loved during my hands-on test was the smart dispense technology. You simply fill the bulk reservoir with liquid detergent, and the machine intelligently weighs the load and dispenses the exact right amount, saving both time and sticky messes. One of the greatest plagues of front-load washers is the dreaded moldy door gasket, but GE has masterfully solved this here. The ultra-fresh vent system with odor block is a total game changer. After a wash cycle finishes, the machine automatically pulls in fresh air and slowly rotates the drum, completely drying out the interior and the door seal. Combined with microbe and antimicrobial materials built right into the gasket and dispenser, my test unit stayed incredibly fresh, eliminating the need to leave the door awkwardly hanging open in the laundry room. Fabric care is exceptionally gentle yet powerful, thanks to the integrated power steam cycle. I tested this by treating heavily soiled, grass-stained kids' clothes, and the steam safely penetrated deep into the fabric fibers, lifting the grime without requiring harsh mechanical agitation. It also features a sanitize plus allergen cycle that obliterates dust mites and bacteria, which is an absolute blessing for allergy sufferers. The dynamic balancing technology keeps the machine completely silent. Even during the intense 1,300 revolutions per minute final spin, my coffee cup resting on top barely vibrated. 4. PFD 87S Verse. Perfectly pairing with the previous washer is the PFD 87 ESB VRS Smart Electro Dryer, boasting an absolute cavern of a 7.8 cubic foot drum. Testing this dryer was a revelation in efficiency. Whether I loaded it with heavy denim, soaking wet towels, or delicate activewear, the massive interior allowed for optimal airflow, meaning nothing ever came out clumped or damp in the center. The stunning royal sapphire color option also adds an incredibly premium, modern aesthetic to a room that is usually dominated by boring white boxes. The feature that left the biggest impression on me was the innovative washer link technology. Because it communicates wirelessly with the compatible GE profile washer, I didn't even have to select a drying cycle. The dryer automatically knew exactly what had just been washed and instantly set the optimal drying temperature and timed the moment I closed the door. This seamless handoff completely removes the guesswork from laundry and ensures that delicate fabrics aren't accidentally blasted with high heat. Beyond the smart connectivity, the built-in steam sanitize and steam refresh cycles are absolute lifesavers for busy professionals. I threw in a wrinkled dress shirt that had been sitting in a suitcase, and the steam refresh cycle relaxed the wrinkles and eliminated odors in just a few minutes, saving me a trip to the dry cleaner. There is also a brilliant damp alert function that chimes right when clothes reach the ideal moisture level for ironing, preventing the deep, baked-in wrinkles caused by overdrying. Even the physical design of this dryer is impressively thoughtful and user-centric. The four-way venting capability offers incredible installation flexibility, allowing you to route the exhaust perfectly no matter how awkward your laundry room layout might be. 3. PFW 955 SBWDS. Taking everything great about the previous washer and turning it up to 11, the PFW 955 SBWDS offers a class-leading 5.5 cubic foot capacity. During my intensive testing, I was blown away by just how much laundry this behemoth can swallow in a single gulp. You can effortlessly wash mountains of bedding, towels, and clothing all at once, drastically cutting down the number of loads you have to run each week. It features the same brilliant ultra-fresh vent system to stop mold dead in its tracks, but with even smarter internal mechanics. The defining magic of this machine lies in its smart wash and smart rinse AI technology. As the cycle begins, internal sensors continuously measure the soil level of the water and the concentration of the detergent. I intentionally overloaded it with muddy hiking gear, and the AI dynamically extended the wash time and adjusted the rinse intensity to ensure every single garment came out flawlessly clean. It completely adapts to whatever you throw at it, meaning you never have to guess which soil setting to use ever again. It also features the upgraded adaptive smart dispense system. While other washers just dump a preset amount of bulk detergent, this model allows you to scan the barcode of your specific detergent bottle using the Smart HQ app. The washer then calibrates its dispensing based on the exact chemical concentration of the brand you bought. I tested this with both ultra-concentrated eco detergents and standard formulas, and the machine handled the math perfectly every time, preventing the nasty soap residue that ruins dark clothing. To top it all off, it includes a wildly convenient one-step wash and dry cycle. 2. PFQ-83 HSS-WWW. The PFQ-83 HSS-WWW Ultra-Fast Combo is a stunning technological achievement that completely redefines the washer-dryer combination market. Unlike the sluggish condenser combo I reviewed earlier, this 4.6 cubic foot powerhouse utilizes a revolutionary ventless inverter heat pump. During my testing, I was deeply skeptical about drying a full-sized load without a traditional exhaust vent, but this machine absolutely delivered. It washes and dries a large mixed load in about 2 hours, completely eliminating the dreaded chore of transferring heavy, wet clothes from one machine to another. The fast airflow drying system is incredibly gentle on fabrics because it extracts moisture using warm, high-speed air rather than blasting your clothes with scorching heat. I tested it with delicate synthetic activewear and heavy cotton towels in the same load, and everything emerged perfectly dry and beautifully soft. Because it runs on a standard 120-volt outlet and doesn't require an external vent, I realized you can install this massive laundry center literally anywhere: a hallway closet, a guest bathroom, or right in the middle of a kitchen island. Despite being an all-in-one unit, it sacrifices absolutely no premium features. It boasts power steam technology for deep stain removal, microbe and antimicrobial protection to keep the drum smelling fresh, and the same fantastic smart dispense auto-dosing detergent system found in the standalone profile washers. The touch controls are highly responsive and intuitive, and the app connectivity allows you to monitor the entire 2-hour process from the couch. It is a genuine set-it-and-forget-it appliance that gives you your weekend back. One of the most brilliant engineering choices here is the easy access lint filter system. 1. PFQ-97 HSBVDS. Claiming the undisputed #1 spot is the PFQ-97 HSBVDS, the absolute pinnacle of GE Profile's laundry innovation. This ultra-fast combo increases the capacity to a massive 4.8 cubic feet, ensuring that even thick, king-size comforters have plenty of room to tumble freely. It utilizes the same groundbreaking ventless inverter heat pump technology, meaning it plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet, but the internal airflow mechanics have been supercharged. In my testing, it chewed through a massive 10-pound load of laundry, taking it from filthy to perfectly clean and bone dry in roughly 90 minutes. What truly separates this flagship model from everything else on the market is its revolutionary pet hair removal cycle. If you're a dog or cat owner, you know the struggle of woven-in fur. Before the water even touches the clothes, this machine blasts the dry laundry with high-speed filtered air, effectively vacuuming the garments and capturing the pet hair in the easy access filter. I tested this with a fleece blanket completely covered in husky fur, and it emerged magically pristine. It is an absolute godsend for pet parents. The energy savings on this unit are truly staggering. Because it uses a sealed heat pump system to recirculate hot air, it uses 50% less energy than a standard electric dryer. I ran the Eco Cool cycle, which utilizes cold water for washing, but still matches the cleaning performance of a hot water cycle, and watched my energy monitor plummet compared to traditional setups. It is incredibly environmentally friendly without ever compromising on the raw, brute force cleaning power you need for a busy household. Ultra. That's all for today.